Why you calling me? I ain't got time. Why you calling me?
Alright guys, I am going to teach you how to make a banana pudding. Now this is going to be a personal bowl. You want to make a bigger bowl, you get a bigger bowl, or you can get a bigger bowl. I am going to do a small personal bowl. So what you want to do is you want to get your bananas, get nice fresh bananas, and your wafers, and you got your pudding, vanilla pudding. Vanilla pudding is a must. So first off, we're gonna crack open the cookies. I like to go cookies and bananas. It's simple, man. This is a real simple way to do it. So I'm not a big fan of using a square container. I'd rather use a round one. But you want to stick the cookies at the bottom of the container flat. Alright, see? So you got the cookies flat, and you want to get your banana. Banana. It's all about the banana. Alright. Cut both of the ends of the banana off. Alright, then you want to cut banana in circles. Little circles. You put the circle banana on top of the circle cookie, and then all you're going to do is stack it. You know, you're going to stack it till you reach the top of the container. But you want to make sure you leave gaps, you know what I mean, in between the banana and the cookie. So when you pour the pudding down in there, the pudding goes in between the cookies and the bananas. See, I'm just going to stack these on top of these, you know. And I mean, I personally myself, I like to use instant vanilla pudding because, you know, it's actually made a lot quicker. My mom always used you know, the pudding that you got to heat up, you know, warm up with a little bit of milk, you know. Okay, see, this is what it looks like once you get it done. Once you get it completed. So you got the bananas on top of cookies, cookies on top of bananas, all the way to the bottom. You know what I was saying? You can put some along the sides. You know, just want to stack them. And you see the gaps in between it. Gotta leave those gaps because that's where your pudding is gonna fall, down in between it. Alright guys, let's do the pudding. Next, pudding. Okay, we got the instant pudding in the container with the milk. You gotta stir it till it starts to thicken up on you. That's how the instant pudding will do. Yeah, it's starting to thicken up already. That's the thing about that instant pudding. We'll do that. Then you pour the instant pudding down in between the cracks of the. See, it's just the right amount for a personal bowl of put the lid on this. Yeah. So you got you want to make sure the pudding falls to the bottom of the container. See, so you get all the wafer nice and soaked in pudding. So you let this sit in the refrigerator for about a couple hours, and you got banana pudding. Very sweet though, let me add. Some very sweet pudding. You have been cooking with Carolina Chris. Take care, guys. Peace. Been 24 hours, I do believe, and I am ready to try my banana pudding. Oh yeah, it's been sitting there and soaked up. Oh my god, it's soaked up all the. Ooh. No surefire way to dig this out. Just gotta do it. All right. Let's try it out. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. If it sucks, I'm gonna let you know it sucks. A little bit of banana. Let's try a little bit with the cookie. Very sweet, but good. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I knew it was gonna taste like it's gonna taste good anyway. Yeah, the instant pudding though. But I think next time I make it, I'm gonna make it with the pudding that you heat up. You know what I mean? You heat up the pudding, it's a lot better that way. My mom used to always do it that way. That's it, guys. Banana pudding. You have been cooking with CarolinaChris26. Peace.